Number 29 is just looking for the product of negative 3i plus 4 times 3i plus 4. And I can just FOIL this. So let's see, negative 9i squared minus 12i, and then distribute the 4, so plus 12i plus 16. The negative 12i plus 12i will cancel, so negative 9i squared plus 16. Alright, but now, what the heck is I squared? Okay, well, I squared is equal to negative 1. Okay, it's just something to memorize, although I'll make a further comment on that in a moment. Okay, so if I squared is negative 1, then I have negative 9 times a negative 1 plus 16, so 9 plus 16 or 25. So your answer is just 25. Okay, now back to this, to the I comment. I, by definition, is the square root of negative 1. Okay, but it's always said, well, you can't square root a negative. Okay, well, if you could square root a negative, whatever answer you get, and then go back and square it, well, you should get what you started with. So I want my negative 1 back. So we say that I squared is negative 1. I cubed, well, using properties of exponents, I could write that as I squared times I, and we just said I squared is negative 1, so negative 1 times I, or just negative I. And I to the 4th, again using properties of exponents, we could write it as I squared times I squared, or negative 1 times negative 1, which is a positive 1. And this will in fact repeat every 4. And so what I mean is, say, if I did I to the 5th, I would get I back. And you can show that using properties of exponents. I to the 6th will get me negative 1. I to the 7th will get me negative I. And I to the 8th will get me back to 1. And again, it will repeat every 4.